Kia ora, children. Now comes to our sentence writing part of the lesson, where you are going to put those adjectives you have collected about your character into a sentence. So, I have chosen my character. It's the green dinosaur from the pink slides earlier. So we are learning to choose a character for our own story. And when we put a character into a story, we've got to describe them, which is what we're doing today, as you know from the earlier slides. Now, our wonderful, adorable little dinosaur. Let's think of some sentences to describe him. Let's think of his inside traits, what he's like in his heart. I'm going to say his name is Fred. So this is Fred, the dinosaur. So Fred is a Fred is a kind, happy, lovely dinosaur. Fred is a kind, happy, lovely dinosaur. Fred is a kind, happy, lovely dinosaur. That's 7 words. Let's write that down. Let's start with a capital letter. Now it's got to be capital because 1, his name is Fred, and 2, it's the beginning of a sentence. Fred. 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 I'm going to use a finger space. Fred is and I can use my sound mat to help me. My sound mat's down here to write my sentences. Fred is a kind. I'm going to put a comma here for those children who are challenging themselves to write lists. So Fred is a kind, happy. How have I written happy? Happy. And I'm underlining it because I've estimated those sounds. I think that's right. I've used my sounds. I can check it later. Fred is a kind, happy, and lovely dinosaur. Should we change lovely to helpful? That means that he helps everyone around him like you guys help all the time. Helpful. Help. Help. Is a kind, happy, helpful dinosaur. D-I-know-S-O-R. Full stop. Fred is a kind, happy, helpful dinosaur. That's 7 words. So we have talked about, when we have written about what he's like in his heart. Let's talk about his appearance. So Fred is spotty. He is green. He's got adorable, enormous eyes and tiny arms. Let's write about that, shall we? So he has spotty, green skin. Shall we write that? He has spotty green skin. He has spotty green skin. He has, I've used another capital letter here for he, children, because it's the start of a new sentence. He has spotty. I don't need to think too much. I'm just going to copy from my pink piece of paper. Spotty. Spotty green skin. He has spotty green skin. Now I'm going to challenge myself. I'm not going to put a full stop there. I'm going to use the connective and tiny arms. So he has spotty green skin and tiny arms. Tiny arms. So I'm going to go back now and read my writing. I've written 2 sentences. One about Fred's inside traits, what he's like in his heart, and one about his outside appearance. Let's check with our rule kit at the top here. Fred, have I used a capital letter? I have. I've used two. One for Fred and one for he at the start of each new sentence. So I'm going to tick that like this. And this is what I expect you to do as well, children. Tick your rule kit. Have I used a finger space between each word? I can check using my finger. Fred is a kind, happy, helpful. Yes, I have used finger spaces. Have I used a full stop at the end of each sentence? I have actually used two full stops. 1, 2. I have challenged myself to use commas as well, but that's not in my rule kit. That's an extra punctuation that I've challenged myself with. Have I read the whole thing? Not yet. That's the next step. Fred is a kind, happy, helpful dinosaur. He has spotty green skin and tiny arms. Have I read my writing? Yes. Does it make sense? I think so. I'm going to give it a tick. There. So, that is what I expect you to do, children. Write one sentence about the inside traits of your dinosaur and write one sentence about the outside traits. Enjoy!